You are the deadliest animal in the ocean, but no one notices that at first glance. You do not look like a monster. You do not have a terrifying size or brute strength. Your body is small. Your presence almost disappears among sand, coral, and shadow. And yet, everything around you can stop with a single attack. One strike is enough to shut down the prey's escape, strength, and reaction. In the ocean, many hunt with speed. You hunt with precision. While other predators chase, tear, and crush, you simply wait. And when the right moment comes, the end arrives in silence. On the seafloor, danger does not always come from the biggest predator. Sometimes it hides inside a beautiful shell, motionless and almost invisible. Today, you are going to step into the role of one of the ocean's most unlikely hunters. A small, silent animal equipped with a weapon that seems impossible for its own size. While fish cross the reef and light dances over the sand, you remain still, without making a sound, without raising suspicion, without showing what is hidden. But the instant the prey comes close, everything changes, because you do not need to chase anyone to dominate the sea. If you like diving into stories like this, subscribe to the channel and stay until the end. This is the kind of creature that completely changes the way we see the ocean. And if this video hooks you from beginning to end, leave a like to support the channel. Every bit of support helps bring more stories like this. You are not born with huge jaws, exposed teeth, or the look of a threat. You are born small, compact, discreet, almost too beautiful to inspire fear. Your shell draws attention with its patterns, its curves, and its colors. In the middle of the reef, you look like part of the scenery. That is exactly what makes everything more dangerous. Because in the ocean, what looks fragile is not always defenseless. Inside your body, there is a hidden weapon, a modified tooth, sharp, launched like a harpoon. This shot is not meant to tear. It is meant to pierce and deliver venom. While other hunters rely on force, you rely on precision. Every movement of your body was shaped for a short, exact, and devastating attack. You do not need to look lethal. You only need to be close enough. And when the ocean understands what you are, it is already too late. The beauty of the shell was never just a detail. It was a disguise. When the prey enters your range, everything inside you awakens. There is no roar, no explosion, no warning. Your proboscis extends slowly toward the target. At its tip, the harpoon is already ready. It is thin, fast, and made to pierce. It does not look like the weapon of a slow predator, but that is what makes it terrifying. The moment it fires, the venom goes straight into the prey's body. This venom interferes with the signals of the nervous system. It disrupts the reaction, shuts down escape, and steals control of the body. In seconds, the prey loses strength, direction, and response. The sea keeps moving around it, but for the prey, everything begins to shut down. You do not need to strike again or fight to win. Your attack ends the chance of defense before it even exists. That is why such a small animal can dominate creatures that are much faster. Your weapon is not just sharp, it is chemical, silent, and precise. In the ocean, precision can be more frightening than visible violence. In front of you, a fish crosses the water without fear. It sees the coral, the sand, and the light breaking in the current, but it does not see you as a threat. That is the mistake. Your body remains motionless for one more instant, almost as if there were no life there at all. Then the strike comes, short, brutal, precise. The harpoon hits before the prey can understand what happened. The instinct to flee tries to appear, but the venom arrives first. The tail loses strength, direction falls apart, the impulse to escape fails. The ocean around it remains huge, open, full of space to run. But no amount of space matters when the body no longer responds as before. The prey is still in the water, still alive, still surrounded by the sea, and yet it no longer belongs to its own freedom. You took that away with a single touch. You do not win by pursuit. You win by stealing the chance to fight. Everything happens too fast to feel real. 1 second there is movement, the next there is silence. And from that silence, your dominance is born. You do not need to be seen as a monster. You only need to be inevitable. In the minds of those who look at the ocean from the outside, fear belongs to giants, sharks, hunting whales, huge jaws, vast bodies. But the real sea does not work only by appearance. It works by efficiency. Few predators are as efficient as you are because everything in your attack eliminates waste. You do not spend energy on long chases or open confrontation. You do not expose yourself any more than necessary. You wait, you measure, you strike, you dominate. That is why your size is so deceptive. Those who judge you by your shape see only a small shell on the bottom. Those who understand what is inside it see something else, a hunting system refined over millions of years. Your venom is not excess. It is specialization. Your harpoon is not an accident. It is survival engineering. In the reef, among rocks, crevices, and sand, you represent an uncomfortable truth. Lethality does not always scream. Sometimes it stands still. Sometimes it looks weak. Sometimes it waits for the right moment without drawing attention. Maybe that is why you are so frightening, because you break the usual image of the predator. You prove that in the ocean, the most dangerous creature can fit in the palm of a hand and still carry enough power to paralyze an entire world around it. Your kingdom is not made of noise. It is made of detail, light passing through shallow water, shadows cut across the sand. Corals create narrow passages, beautiful and deceptive. It is in this calm setting that you become more threatening. Because the ocean protects your disguise, the current moves fine particles. Small fish cross the reef. The seafloor looks safe enough to let your guard down, and that is exactly where you exist with the greatest force, in the false feeling that nothing is going to happen. You do not dominate by presence. You dominate by surprise. There is something frightening about a predator that barely moves. Even more disturbing is knowing that it does not need size to be respected. You embody one of the greatest truths of marine life. The sea hides dangers that do not match their appearance. Not every killer in the ocean has exposed teeth. Not every weapon comes in the form of a bite. Some arrive hidden in silence, covered by an elegant shell, resting on the bottom, waiting for the exact moment. And when that moment comes, there is no spectacle. There is only the end of the prey's advantage. In your world, death does not come running. It comes quietly, beautifully, almost invisibly. Maybe that is what makes you the deadliest animal in the ocean. Not only because of the weapon you carry, but because of the perfection with which you disappear before the attack. In the end, the ocean does not belong only to the biggest. It also belongs to the most precise, the silent, and the patient. You are living proof that lethality does not live only in brute force. It can live inside a small, beautiful shell that is almost impossible to notice. When nature puts so much power into such a discreet body, the sea gains a new kind of fear. A fear that does not come from what is seen, but from what is hidden. In the depths of the ocean, true terror does not always swim at high speed. Sometimes it stays motionless, in silence, waiting. And when it finally attacks, the world understands it underestimated the wrong creature. If you enjoyed this immersion, subscribe to the channel and stay with us. There are still many ocean creatures that seem like fiction, but are real. And leave a like to support the channel. That helps a lot to bring more videos like this with powerful stories full of marine life.